Hi everyone, it's me once again. So today I'm going to discuss trigonometric sine rule and cosine rule. First of all, let's start from the sine rule. So before understanding the sine rule, you should you should understand the usual notation triangle, right? This is the topic: sine rule and cosine rule. Right. So sine rule is coming with the usual notation triangle. So this is a triangle, so you can see this is an acute angle triangle. So no matter, it can be right angle or obtuse angle, anything. So the usual notation mean, you can see the opposite side, it's similar with the English letter. So capital B is opposite to the simple B, capital A opposite to the simple A, right? So this is the usual notation triangle. So what is the sine rule? Sine rule mean all sides, right? All sides of the triangle is all the sides of the triangle is directly proportional to the opposite angle sine value. A over sine A equal B over sine B equal C over sine C. Similarly, you can write it like sine A over simple A, sine B over simple B, sine C over simple C, right? So this is the sine rule. Opposite side is directly proportional to the sine value of the angle. Right, so let's see how to apply this rule. In a usual notation triangle ABC, A equals 60 degree, B equals 45, AC equals 5 centimeters. Find ABBC. This is my triangle, and A angle is 60 degree, B is 45, AC is 5 centimeters. Right. So we need to find the AB and BC now. You know, in our O level, ordinary level, we don't have any method for finding these angles and sides, right? So because we just put sine rule, always the trigonometric for the right angle triangles. By using the sine rule, we can write it like x over sine 60 equal y over sine 75 equal 5 over sine 45, right? So now you can equal separately like this way, right? X over sine 60 equal 5 over sine 45. So now x equals 5 sine 60 over sine 45. You can substitute the value. 5 root 6 over 2 centimeters, right? So x, the BC side is 5 root 6 over 2, right? So similarly, you can find the y side, y over sine 75, 5 over sine 45, y 5 sine 45 over sine 75 over sine 45. We can write the sine 75 using our AB angles, sine 45 plus 30, right? But now I'm not going to find that value. I'm just leave it like 5 root 2 sine 75. So sine 45 is exactly 1 over root 2. That's why the root 2 comes. Right. So this is basically sine rule application. So let's look at another example. In a usual notation triangle, AB equals 3 centimeters, BC equals 6 centimeters, C equals 30 degrees. Find AC, A angle and B angle. So again, I put the usual notation triangle with the data they have given. C is 30 degree. So this is X. So this is B angle and A angle. Okay, now I'm going to write the sine rule. 6 over sine A, 3 over sine 30, X over sine B. 6 over sine A equal 3 over sine 30. Sine A equal 6 sine 30 over 3. So sine A become 1, right? So sine A 1 mean A become 90 degree, no? So A 90 and B become again 60 degree. 30, 90 and 60 degree. 180 minus 90 plus 30, it's 60 degree. Okay, so however we got the B angle, so now we can find the X side. Sine 60, 3 over sine 30. This is 3 sine 30, sine 60, 6 sine 60, root 3 by 2, 3 root 3. So X become 3 root 3 now. You can see this is just simple application, right? So you just need to write the connection between the sides and the angles. So it's really easy. This is my final answer. Okay, this is my next example. In a usual notation, AB, BC both equal. C, it's 2 centimeters. C angle 45. Find AC, A and B. Again, you should need to draw the diagram and include the data also. ABC. These two are equal. 45, 45, and here this is 90. No, this right angle triangle is easy. It's like a grade 11. I think you don't want the sine rules to here because the Pythagoras theorem can be applied. But however, I'm going to apply sine rule. It's 2 root 2. Okay, so this is about the sine rule and cosine rule. So this is my first video, and I'm going to add more videos about the sine rule and cosine rule, including the proof of the sine rule and cosine rule. So stay tuned. Thank you very much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.